Okay, so yesterday we did practice map writing. I hope all of you have practiced at least once. Today let's start with the Indian map writing. ये भी खत्म हो जाए. World map writing is an important thing. If you write the world maps in your answers, you will be appreciated. You will be appreciated very much if you write the world maps. But if you don't write the world map, you will be given less marks. Sorry, if you don't write the Indian map. वर्ल्ड मैप लिख दिया तो ठीक है, सोचते हैं कि हाँ यार बहुत सही है, इस बंदा ने लिख दिया है, so that means he has studied geography, so he will appreciate by giving extra marks. But if you don't write Indian map, so you will say इस बंदे को geography ही पता नहीं है. Fine. It is expected that you write Indian map. It is very, very important. And remember, it is not only in geography you have to write Indian map. You can write in many other subjects. Geography mein to they expect you to write the Indian map. You can write Indian map in environment. If at all you have to show the various regions affected by some kind of pollution, some kind of desertification, degradation, you can definitely write that. You can also write that in disaster management. You can write that in security challenges, international relations. You can show the borders. You can use it in the context of history. Historically, if at all you have to describe some regions where so and so different art forms are found, cave locations are there. So definitely it will be appreciated. You write a simple map. You don't have to write the entire page. Full page में पूरा वाले map लिखने का जरूरी नहीं है. Just one corner, a small Indian map. Just mark few locations. You will get an extra mark. And trust me, a single mark will change your life. It has. Okay, it has changed the lives of people in various ways. UPSC में एक mark भी फर्क पड़ता है. So please, to as much as possible, in as much as way, try to get the maximum marks in your answer writing. Okay, value addition is one such thing where you can get the maximum marks. And one such value addition is map writing, figure writing. So Indian map. So how different is Indian map from the world map? Indian map is bit more easier to write. And you can write this in a smaller space. You don't require the entire full page. If at all, this is the entire full page. Write it in this corner. Okay? Or this corner. Or this corner. This corner. Please write it in the corner. Don't write it at the center. यहाँ space waste हो जाता है, that is not appreciated. And the idea is that you should utilize the space more efficiently. ऐसे unnecessarily नहीं लगना चाहिए कि to fill the space you have written the map. That is not suggested. Now, to write the map, the first thing you have to understand is you should know the boundaries. है ना, Indian geography आपको तो शुरू नहीं हुआ है, तो otherwise I would have told you in detail about the bordering countries, bordering states and all. For now, let's just understand. Okay, this is what India's map. For those who don't know anything at all, let's assume. Okay, towards the southern part we have the Indian Ocean. This is Sri Lanka. And here we have the Pakistan. Till here we have Pakistan. है ना, थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट इसमें अफगानिस्तान का बाउंड्री आता है, वो छोड़ो. So then here we have China. है ना, can you see? Till here it is China. And China boundary also starts here. So in between we have Nepal and Bhutan. This is Nepal, this is Bhutan. Okay, please try to see कैसे है. And here we have Myanmar. And here we have Bangladesh. Fine, these are the bordering countries of India. And even to draw the map, you should know where exactly which states are there. वो भी important है. तो you can remember कहाँ कैसे exact turn लेना है while drawing the map. So let me tell you. So this is Gujarat, this is Rajasthan, then Punjab, Jammu Kashmir. 4 states along the Pakistan border. Towards here we have Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and then Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, China border. नेपाल बॉर्डर देखो, यूपी, बिहार. इस साइड में आएगा उत्तराखंड, इस साइड में आएगा सिक्किम. भूटान में देखो, सिक्किम है, here there is West Bengal, you will understand more. Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Fine. And here we have Arunachal Pradesh, this is Nagaland, this is Manipur, this is Mizoram, that is across the Myanmar border. And there is a small extension like a little finger, can you see here? This is what is Tripura, this is totally inside Bangladesh, क्योंकि बांग्लादेश का border ऐसे आता है. Okay, this portion is ठीक है, this portion is Tripura. त्रिपुरा के ऊपर है, this is Meghalaya. Okay, this is almost like a square shape, rectangle shape depression, and just below the Assam. And it forms a very narrow corridor here, chicken neck corridor, and entirely along this is West Bengal. फिर यहाँ पर है ओडिशा, आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु कोस्ट. So यहाँ पर है केरला कोस्ट, कर्नाटक कोस्ट, गोवा, महाराष्ट्र. So these are your bordering states of India. याद रहेगा? ठीक है. So now let's try to draw this. How to draw the India's map? What are the important shortcuts? Okay, world map हमने horizontal rectangle में draw किया था. India's map you should draw it in a vertical rectangle. Okay, it is bit difficult to see the exact straight lines here, so please excuse me if there is any difference. Okay, draw a vertical rectangle. Fine. Horizontally at the center, draw the line which represents the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, थोड़ा सा ऊपर हो गया. It is easier to draw it on the paper. Tropic of Cancer. And this is the first reference line. Vertically divide into 3 equal halves. Okay, 3 equal halves, not 2 equal halves, 3 equal halves. Try to draw. This first. This is second. Fine, done. So now, so my idea of writing the map, I will draw continuously from one point. Okay, I start from Jammu Kashmir, from north. I will take it like this and come back here, back to Jammu Kashmir. This is my way of drawing India map. Okay, you need to practice the shapes, the turns, the curves. कैसे different होगा, that is the easiest way. Okay, so when I used to write the exam, तो तब तो whenever I get free time, I used to practice drawing India map, है ना. तो हमारा optional geography के लिए भी बहुत ज़रूरी था. In every answer you were required to write the map. So initially start with this reference point, reference box, and I try to draw it in a big whole page. Okay, that gives you the exact shape. Exact shape कैसे लाना है वो idea आता है. So gradually reduce the size. That is the way. And I gradually try to reduce the size. So now, let's start with the northernmost point. Remember, we are going to start and continuously draw it as a single line, so that we will get the entire idea. But let's do it slowly so that आपके लिए easy रहेगा. Okay, let's draw it in blue. We are men in blue, right? So यहाँ पर जम्मू कश्मीर का देखो. So जम्मू कश्मीर का, if you observe the northernmost point, so there are two. It's a kind of sine wave, and it's a kind of sine wave which we will be drawing in the northernmost point, and which will start from here. ठीक है, साइन वेव. सन वेव हो गया. रिमेंबर, जहां से स्टार्ट किया वहां तक ही लेना है. यू शुड नॉट टेक टिल हियर, ऊपर तक नहीं ले जाना है. ओके, दिस इज द साइन वेव आई एम ड्रॉइंग हियर. कैन यू सी? तो अभी के लिए फॉर आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई एम ड्रॉइंग द साइन वेव, बट बाद में यू शुड बी एबल टू डू गिव सम मोर कर्विंग्स. ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया बॉक्स को बड़ा बनाने के चक्कर में. ठीक है. So after that, complete the Ladakh portion. This is what is Ladakh portion, है ना. So we say Aksai Chin part, which is under the control of China. उसको complete कर दिया. So within Jammu Kashmir, some part of it now was currently under news. This is Pangong Tso Lake, उसके बगल वाला पोर्शन है. ये जो पोर्शन है, that is what I am drawing. थोड़ा सा ऐसे बल्ज टाइप. देन इफ यू सी, दैट इज व्हाट इज टोटल जम्मू कश्मीर. यहां पर खत्म हो जाता है, ऐसे एक बल्ज आके खत्म हो जाता है ना, जो लद्दाख पोर्शन है. सो आफ्टर दैट द हिमाचल प्रदेश कम्स स्ट्रेट. it comes straight. Once Himachal Pradesh is over, Uttarakhand is almost 45 degrees slanting. Almost 45 degrees slanting. यहां से लेके you stop it here, you give a 45 degrees slanting and stop it here. Okay, try to draw Sikkim in this line at this point like this. Okay, this is what is Sikkim. Of course, now I am showing you, but you should imagine if at all you are drawing continuously, you should connect this like this, Sikkim. So this portion is our Nepal, a U-shaped but slightly tilted U shape. Uttarakhand हो गया, थोड़ा सा नीचे लाके make the entire U-shaped box for Nepal till this point. Okay, this reference line I am keeping it for the northeastern part. है ना, exactly a hump which represents सिक्किम. सिक्किम के बाद में क्या है, भूटान. भूटान को भी थोड़ा सा छोटा सा यू शेप्ड बॉक्स. नेपाल इज बिगर देन भूटान, याद रखो, भूटान थोड़ा सा छोटा है. Is it clear? So after that we have to draw Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh कैसे, यहां से राइज होगा, it goes something like this. But कहां तक राइज करना है? Okay, till where exactly? Keep this as the reference point. Where और उत्तराखंड ended, है ना, यहां पर उत्तराखंड end हुआ था ना, वहां तक राइज करो till this point. Okay, almost horizontally you should be able to connect this. Rise it till there and give a shape like this. Because remember, the easternmost state is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, easternmost state is Arunachal Pradesh. यही सबसे आगे होना चाहिए. इसके बाद में you should come back. अरुणाचल प्रदेश खत्म हो गया. So then comes our Nagaland and Manipur. Okay, can you see Nagaland Manipur का border कैसे है? So this is Nagaland, this is Manipur. It comes after once the Arunachal Pradesh जो extended part है वो खत्म हो गया, तो ऐसे नीचे आएगा. Then it takes a turn and drops as Mizoram. Fine. So try to draw something like that. It will come like this. Okay, till here. Remember, Nagaland, Manipur, both of them, particularly our Manipur, is above the Tropic of Cancer. It will not touch the Tropic of Cancer. But our Mizoram crosses Tropic of Cancer. है ना, अरुणाचल प्रदेश हो गया. Then Nagaland, Manipur ऐसे slanting में आके it took a turn, right angle and dropped as Mizoram. And ये भी ट्रिकी है, देखो मैंने बताया था त्रिपुरा इज लाइक एक्सटेंडिंग इनटू बांग्लादेश लाइक ए लिटिल फिंगर, है ना. एंड इवन त्रिपुरा क्रॉसेस द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, नॉट बट नॉट दिस लो. दिस इज त्रिपुरा एंड कम्स बैक. Fine, till this point it will come back, and here it was a chicken neck corridor, very narrow corridor. From here you draw a square connecting this. So that was our Meghalaya, है ना, असम है उसके नीचे मेघालय. तो हमने भूटान के लिए थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस दे दिया, इसलिए ऐसे लग रहे हैं थोड़ा सा नॉर्थ ईस्ट खींच लिया है. सो अदरवाइज दिस इज भूटान इज बिट शॉर्टर ऑल्सो. but don't worry, nobody is going to see exactly कितना length है, breadth and all. Roughly दिखना चाहिए, it should appear as if you are drawing the India's map. Shapes are important. Fine. Remember, both Nagaland and Manipur. Okay, this was Nagaland, this was Manipur. Both of them are above the Tropic of Cancer. It is the Mizoram which dropped into Tropic of Cancer, which crossed, went back, and Tripura again crossed, and then you should be able to draw a rectangle here. That is what is our Meghalaya. Meghalaya के ऊपर आ गया Chicken Neck Corridor. That is where West Bengal is there. Okay, फिर totally you can draw some curvy and bring it below exactly parallel to this line and cross it. कहाँ तक ड्रॉप करना है? टिल वेयर त्रिपुरा इज देयर, है ना. यहाँ त्रिपुरा जितना पॉइंट है, इन द सेम पॉइंट ब्रिंग इट हियर. दैट इज द एक्सटेंट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल. रफली थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे है, बट फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग यू कैन डू दैट. है ना, दिस इज वेयर वेस्ट बंगाल इज देयर. So now, if you see the eastern coast from Kanyakumari to West Bengal, it is not completely slanting. Half of the portion goes north, है ना, it goes north, and half the portion goes at 45 degree. Half the portion till the KG delta. This is what is KG delta, Krishna Godavari delta. Till KG delta, the coast is going at 45 degree. After KG delta it comes straight. This is what is our Coromandel coast, है ना. तो KG delta कैसे याद रखना? ये जो यहां पर हमने नेपाल का स्टार्ट किया था, this is the point where the Nepal dropped, है ना. तो roughly imagine a point here, है ना, roughly imagine a point here and bring it like this. So that is from West Bengal to KG delta. So from KG delta, Coromandel coast comes straight. Okay, थोड़ा सा curvy दे दो, it comes straight till कावेरी. कावेरी के बाद में थोड़ा सा ऐसे दे देना. This is what is कावेरी डेल्टा, है ना. जहां पर ये जो शेप है near to the northern part of Sri Lanka. Okay, it comes almost straight, then it takes a turn till Kanyakumari. This is the tip of Kanyakumari. याद रखो, it should end. The line where we have taken the reference point, that is where Kanyakumari is there. हो गया. तो यहां पर हमने एक imaginary line, the extent up to which Mizoram is touching, the extent up to which we have assumed West Bengal's end or the border, at the same extent here mark another point. From here draw complete almost straight line up to Kanyakumari. Okay, only till here, you should not touch the Tropic of Cancer. देखो ऐसा करने से ना आपको प्लेसेस भी याद रह जाएगा, whether this state is touching the Tropic of Cancer or not, or which state is almost straight, which comes straight along the same latitude, same longitude. वैसे भी थोड़ा सा याद हो जाएगा if you try to do this. Now Gujarat, remember the coast of Gujarat. Gujarat ऐसे है ना, if you draw a complete circle ऐसे गुजरात होना चाहिए, but ऐसे पूरा तो नहीं होगा. It comes like this, goes like this, है ना. Let me just enlarge and show you. Can you see, this is how Gujarat. बट रिमेंबर ये जो नॉर्थर्न पार्ट है दैट शुड एक्सटेंड मोर इनटू द वेस्ट, नॉट दिस वन. द सदर्न पार्ट इज एक्चुअली द part where we have the Gir forest, all those region. Northern part is Kutch. Remember the westernmost part of India is Kutch. Okay, westernmost कौन सा होना चाहिए? Kutch होना चाहिए. Fine. Let's draw that. यहां से start करना है. Bring it down. Go back. Remember this run of Kutch है ना? That is cut by the Tropic of Cancer. ठीक है. So let me just enlarge this and show you. ठीक है, पूरा enlarge हो जाएगा मुश्किल है. This is how it is. है ना, दिस इज गुजरात. रिमेंबर दिस इज कच्छ. कच्छ पोर्शन शुड बी मोर टुवर्ड्स द वेस्ट देन द लोअर गुजरात. ठीक है, गुजरात खत्म हो गया. अभी राजस्थान. Rajasthan, if you see, it is not coming straight from here. Some part of Rajasthan is going into Pakistan, जो हमारा Barmer region है. But you should make sure that this portion do not go beyond the line. Only the Kutch portion touch this line. Okay, but this one is still here. Okay, so that gives a kind of hump. That is what is Rajasthan. You can remember camel's hump. Rajasthan desert में होगा camels. Okay, from here you have to connect till Jammu Kashmir. तो कहाँ तक connect करना है? Can you see the point where Jammu Kashmir ended here? Exactly on this side, mark a point. यहाँ पर जम्मू कश्मीर एंड हुआ था, हमने ड्रॉ किया था हिमाचल प्रदेश. Exactly at the same distance, draw, imagine another point here. Fine. Exactly at the same length and at the same latitude. Now connect this continuously till there. Now exactly bring it till here. That is what is our Rajasthan and Punjab. Now once you come here, थोड़ा सा give a neck type impression, थोड़ा सा अंदर लेके, then you bring it like this so that it gives a kind of head shape, and then it goes straight totally till here. ये थोड़ा सा ज्यादा इस तरफ हो गया. If we do the mapping of India, you would remember more easily. तो यहाँ पर है हमारा LOC actually. The western part of Kashmir is currently under the occupation of Pakistan, which we call it as the Azad Kashmir, which they call it as the Azad Kashmir. We call it as the Pakistan occupied Kashmir. And इसके ऊपर वाला portion है, that is also we call it as the Pakistan occupied Kashmir POK, but they call it as the Gilgit Baltistan. We'll talk in more detail about this. है ना, यहाँ पर ऊपर आ गया, ऐसे लेके you brought it straight from here, you complete this like this. Because this is almost like a square here, है ना, almost like a square here. तो यहाँ पर straight है. Most importantly, please draw Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep islands. Many people don't add this. whether you are explaining vegetation, precipitation, industries तो छोड़ो, यहाँ पर नहीं आएगा. At least vegetation, precipitation, the climatic condition. So there it is. It will be good if you can draw this Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep and show it over there. है ना, सही रहेगा. So people will draw this Sri Lanka. श्रीलंका लिख देते, अंडमान निकोबार लक्षद्वीप छोड़ देते, as if श्रीलंका is India's part. Okay, don't worry about drawing श्रीलंका, वो जरूरी नहीं है हमारे लिए. But please draw अंडमान निकोबार लक्षद्वीप. See, we took almost nearly like 20 minutes to draw this. If you practice, with practice you should be able to draw this within a minute. Okay, within 1 minute. In fact, when I was doing it, I was able to do it within less than 30 seconds. ये जो मैंने कर्व्स बताया था ना, तो that should be there in your mind. That memory should be there in your mind. Exactly ऐसे शुरू करके you should be able to end it. खत्म. Without even lifting your hand. उतना प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए, एंड हो भी सकता है. इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. ओके, ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू प्रैक्टिस एटलीस्ट 10 टाइम्स, एक बार 10 बार प्रैक्टिस कर लो जो मैंने बता दिया, विथ रेफरेंस लाइन कहां पर कैसे टर्न लेना है एंड ऑल, वो थोड़ा सा याद रख लो. 10 टाइम्स यू डू इट कंटिन्यूअसली, you can easily remember and you can do it, even you can do it within less than 30 seconds. बहुत आराम से हो जाएगा. So तब तो आप पेन में भी कर सकते हो. If your practice is well, you can do it in pen also. It's not required that you have to draw it in pencil, eraser लेके, scale लेके, वो सब करने का भी जरूरी नहीं होगा. But ensure that you write it in the box. That gives a kind of neatness. है ना, you can write a heading here, sorry, एक ऐसे, the map showing India's climatic conditions, है ना, then you mark it here and do a labeling. That is very important. Labeling is very important. Without labeling you will not get the marks. खाली मैप लिख लिया तो कैसे पता चलेगा उनको. Is it good now? Is it easy now? The thing is, you have to remember where exactly, which state, how it is in that particular shape. उसका shape थोड़ा सा याद रखते जाओ. तो इसलिए तो हम बोलते हैं, please put a map of India and world in your wall, okay, on your wall, and try to see it on regular basis. तभी याद होगा. So any doubts, queries? So start with something slow, है ना. Start with something big. बड़ा पेपर, होल फुल पेपर A4 शीट में पूरा लिखने का स्टार्ट करो. So तब आपको प्रैक्टिस होगा. Like you will get the entire shape, है ना. हाँ, ये ऐसे तो नहीं होना चाहिए, इस तरफ थोड़ा सा ज्यादा नीचे आ गया, ज्यादा ऊपर आ गया, वो थोड़ा सा आइडिया आ जाता है. But gradually आते आते you reduce the size, it will be more easier. You can draw a much faster map. You don't need to draw the inside regions. No, that is not required at all. Not at all required. Inside region states तो कोई भी नहीं पूछेंगे. Nobody would expect it also. Just the outline. You don't have to draw any states as such. Don't worry about that. That is not required at all. Just practice the outline map. No need to worry about any states at all. So Jaidev is asking some major states like MP, Rajasthan, UP, do we need to draw? No. So which one is major, which one is minor? So why do we have to consider only MP, UP, Rajasthan as major ones? On what basis? No, we cannot do that discrimination. We are aiming for all India service. Not at all required. Not at all required. Suppose you might have to mark the region, certain region. Suppose मान लो you are marking the regions where there are black soils in India. Okay, regions of black soils in India. Fine. So you just have to mark the entire region of black soil completely like this. This is how you have to mark the regions of black soil. And right here regions showing the black soil. यहाँ पर लिखो black soil. This is what is labeling. ठीक है? So this is required. Not the exact states Maharashtra, Karnataka वो सब लिख के लिखने का जरूरी नहीं. That is not at all required. That is not possible also. इतना भी टाइम नहीं होगा आपके पास. Good. Many of you are saying that they are able to draw in the same way. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा और प्रैक्टिस करो और परफेक्ट हो जाएगा. You can write a better map than this. Any other doubts, queries regarding India map writing or world map writing? So since we have done it in the class, I hope all of you will be able to do it by yourself. Please do it at regular intervals, तभी याद रहेगा. Okay, Rishabh has a doubt. If a question comes for a particular region like Sir Creek, so we have to draw the whole map or just western boundary. Western boundary is sufficient, है ना? तो तब क्या करना है? So draw only this part in a box like this. इतना sufficient है? Draw only this part and show it here. Sir Creek हो गया. ठीक है, but to draw this part you should be good at drawing the entire India's map, then only you will be able to write this, है ना? So then only you will be able to remember the exact rough shape over there. So otherwise if it is just about one region, जैसे एक ही region सर क्रीक के बारे में आया था, just draw this part. Suppose एक ही region आया अरुणाचल प्रदेश में कोई एक जगह में you have to show something, just draw the northeastern part, that is fine. You don't have to draw the entire India. Okay, if the question comes somewhere about the regions where there were issues between Indian and Chinese side, है ना, पैंगोंग सो लेक हो गया या कोई ऐसे आ गया, मान लो क्वेश्चन में आ गया, just have to draw this and show the part over there. If it is something which is pan India, which is there in multiple locations of different parts, then you have to write the whole India's map. So any other doubts, queries? Map writing? ठीक है.